Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. Today is Thursday, and as always, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Now, like I always say in the beginning of every video, man, hit the subscribe button because we are trying to hit 100K by the end of the year, and I'm gonna keep saying it until we hit 100K. And we ain't at 100K yet, so hit that subscribe button. That's on dog. What is good, everybody, man? I am feeling super good. Just left the gym, man. Your boy getting them gains in. Do not be trolling down below in the comment section. No, I'm not Brock Lesnar, or no, I'm not trying to be, but it feels good to get that workout in and just be in shape. Today's video, man, as y'all can see, I know I did a video not too long ago on probably the worst decision I've ever made in my life, but in actuality, I was looking in my closet, right? The sneaker wall is not all of my shoes. It's just like the ones that, you know, that looks good behind me and things like that. But I have another portion of sneakers that's kind of ducked off to the side. Now, I happened to be looking for a pair of sneakers that was not behind me, so I had to go in there and look for the other sneakers. And I found a pair of shoes I forgot I bought. But if you figure out how much I paid for these, bro, I might be banned from YouTube. It was a ridiculous amount of money to me, okay? I'm gonna say that to me because you got dudes buying shoes for $1.4 thousand. I'm not doing that. I'm not paying $1,400. At least not now, okay? Maybe, you know what I'm saying, when the bread come in rolling, it's all good. But not now, not now. Anyways, man, I spent over enough money for these sneakers, and I don't ever wear them. I wore them like one time, and I cannot believe I spent that much, so we will get into that, man. But before we get into that, stay tight. I have an unboxing or unpackaging? Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it, an unpackaging. In my last video, in the, what was that, the Yeezy Clay V2 video, you guys asked me, where did you get those jeans from? Now, the on foot was super dope, and I had a dope pair of jeans on, and everybody was asking me, where did you get those jeans from? Now, I got these jeans from Serenity or Serenade. I do not know the exact way to pronounce it, but either way it goes, they will be linked down below in the description. Head over there, they got all of the dope denim. Now, before y'all start questioning, no, this is not a sponsor. They're not paying me to say this. I didn't take no money. No. I shop here. I use my own money. I buy this. So I'm not getting nothing for this other than just answering you guys' questions because they have a lot of great denim. Like I said, it will be linked down below. Here I have the package over here, man. We're going to open this up because I did order another pair of jeans, and it's a few reasons why I like their denim over a lot of people's denim. Now, honestly, it is a little pricey depending on what you like for jeans. Me personally, I think that if I'm gonna pay a lot of money, it just gotta be worth it, okay? And trust me, these jeans are definitely worth it. Head over to that Yeezy Clay V2 video if you do not know what I'm talking about. We have it, man. So this is the newest pair of denim your boy got, man. These are super dope. Now, the reason why I like these more than just about everybody else's denim is, number one, the denim, the type of denim. It's stretchable denim. So for all my guys out there who are a little bit more full after you get done eating or whatever, for all my guys who like those fitted jeans but just need a little bit more space, the stretchable fit denim is definitely what you need. I also got like a lot of different flavors, a lot of different looks over there, so just stay tuned. I will be rocking these in another on foot, man, trust me, and I will tag them in the next on foot I do with these jeans as well. I'm trying to put y'all on, man. I'm trying to put y'all on. Once again, it's not paid or sponsored. I'm just trying to put y'all on. Head over there, man. Tell them your boy Snipe sent you. That's on dog. Now we can get to the topic of the video, right? So the topic of the video is a pair of shoes I spent way too much money on a while back, and I just found them and I realized, like, where were these, number one, and why did I spend so much money? Now, I don't want nobody to judge me because these shoes are ugly, bro. I mean ugly. Matter of fact, do judge me, clown me, roast me. Whoever has the best clowning, whoever has the best roast session, I will pin your comment, so leave your IG as well after you get done clowning me, bro, because this is about to be nasty. Are y'all ready, bro? Oh my goodness. Here we have it. These are the Jeremy Scott Rainbow Wings. Now, I knew nothing, okay? Absolutely nothing about Jeremy Scott. I knew nothing about his sneaker line. I knew nothing about anything Jeremy Scott had going on before I moved to Atlanta. When I lived in Cleveland, I was just an innocent civilian, man, living my life, okay? Trying to live my life at least. I moved to Atlanta, and I started seeing people walk around with these sneakers with wings on them. And for whatever reason, I thought they were cool. So I was looking around. I actually tried to get the foil wings first, and I was trying my best to find a pair for a good price, and I wound up running across these. Now, you might be asking, Sniper, what is a good price for these? What would be a good price to have some shoes this colorful with wings on the side? Let me grab the other one. Like, y'all don't understand. I'm not even gonna edit no more. I'm gonna just leave this like raw and uncut. Look at this. It's literally freaking wings on them, okay? Now I know a lot of y'all, or maybe not a lot, I know a few of y'all out there probably have a pair of these. Whether it's the wings, because not all the wings have the wings on the side. Some of the Jeremy Scotts have the wings coming off the back heel of the shoe, and I don't like those. I like these more, and these are trash, okay? These are the only pair I own, so it ain't like, you know, I went crazy. And I just went out and bought every pair I seen. This was the color I bought, and like I said, I wore them once. You can obviously tell they haven't been worn a lot. But man, I paid $400 for these. $400. Now, before we get into it, I know a lot of people are like, well, you know, 4 isn't that bad because y'all spend a lot of money on sneakers. Don't get me wrong, I spend money too. I'm the king of retail. I am the retail king. There's like, I have over man, there's no telling how many shoes are behind me, because there's some over here that's cut off and some over here that's not even in the full screen, and this is a wide angle lens, okay? Probably on a hand, one hand, I can count how many shoes I pay resale for. I am not the guy that goes spend $3,000, $500, $700 on a regular basis. That's just not me, all right? I get the heat that I get. Don't get me wrong, your boy got some heat, man. I got some Off-White, I got Jordan 1s, I got Yeezys, I got Retros, I got everything from Puma to freaking, you name it, okay? ASIC, I got it. I'm retail gang. I do everything I can. I do the footwork I have to do to get them for retail, because at the end of the day, I'm responsible, man. You know what I'm saying? I got things I gotta do, so I try to be responsible. But $400 for these? That was a complete waste of money. A complete waste of money. I feel like a failure, bro. I feel like I failed. I honestly feel like I just failed, man. So, you know, I want y'all to clown me down below. Like, look at these, man. Matter of fact, if any of you guys think these are dope, and I'm gonna tell you how old these are. You know they old. I wear 11. I mean, I wear 12. These shoes are an 11. This is back when I wore an 11. That's how you know I bought these a while ago. Back when I wore an 11, I wore these shoes. I can't even fit these no more, even if I wanted to wear them. You know what I'm saying? Like, the lowest I can do now is 11 and a half. 11 is not gonna go. If any of you guys are interested in this, man, just let me know. I do not have the original box just because I throw away all my boxes and put them in containers. But this wasn't, I don't know if I had an original box or not. I will have to go back and look, because these weren't behind me. I probably do, I probably don't, I don't know. But you know, like I said, if y'all are interested in these, then DM me, you know, let me know, and we can figure something out, because I don't need them. And I don't want them. These are a terrible investment. I cannot believe I spent this much money on a piece of trash. No disrespect, okay? No disrespect to Jeremy Scott, and no disrespect to the people who love these sneakers. I'm just no longer a fan. So what I want y'all to do is clown me. I give you permission. I give you the absolute permission to clown me down below in the comment section. I will be reading over these, laughing, and just going in, bro, because if I see somebody who bought these later on in life, I will clown them too. There's no question about that. Also, guys, let me know, what is probably your worst pickup? What have you spent the most money on that you regret looking back at it now? Whether you sold it, still got it, or just, you know, somehow got rid of it. I am itching to see what you guys have done too, because in buying sneakers, man, sometimes you do stuff like this, man. Sometimes you go for shoes that you shouldn't go for. Sometimes you pay more than what you should pay for. And it's funny hearing y'all stories as well. But that is it for today's video, man. I thank y'all for watching. As always, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. Make sure you hit that, I don't even want these in my hand. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. We still grinding, trying to hit that 100,000 before the end of the year. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, where I post some of the dopest pics, and I also do giveaways on my story that you do not want to miss. All of that will be linked down below in the description. Last but not least, man, I told y'all, if you use my Reshoevn8er discount code SNIPER, I will be shouting you out in any video. So check this out. Reshoevn8er has a lot of dope products for sneakerheads like us. You need to head over there, use my discount code SNIPER. You can get 10% off anything. So I just want to give a huge shout out to my dog Trey Duncan for it, because he sent me the DM, he used the promo code, sent it to me, and I appreciate you as always. As I said, guys, all you have to do is just use the 10% discount code, screenshot it to me, send it to me when you use it, and I will shout you out next video. He literally just sent it to me today, and I am shouting him out. Shout out to you, Trey Duncan. You are a real one. All the Reshoevn8er links will be posted down below. Head over there, man, see what you like, and then go ahead, check out, and use the discount code. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. I will catch up with y'all. Y'all know I cannot leave without saying, everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.